Hi there, students. A game changer. I think you could probably write this as one word, you could write it as two words, or you could write it with a hyphen. I think personally I would do it with two words, but I think all of them are valid. Okay, so a game changer. Well, you could take this word literally, a countable noun, something that changes a game. Something that will affect the result of a game very significantly. So maybe you've got a tennis match between two people, and one of them's winning by a long way, and then the one who's winning, maybe he injures a muscle in his shoulder. Yeah, well, that could be a game changer. Yeah, it could change the game. Or maybe if your team has one player who's really good and the rest of the team aren't very good, if that person gets injured or gets sent off, that could be a game changer. So something that can affect very significantly the result of a game. But then we can use this metaphorically. Yeah, so a game changer is something that radically affects a situation, an area of business, a piece of research, the way we live. So I don't know, for example, clearly the invention of the smartphone has been a game changer in the telecommunications industry. Yeah, people will not go back to the old way. So the game has changed completely. There's been a radical change in this. The introduction of new tax laws has been a game changer for businesses. Yeah, it's radically, dramatically, fundamentally altered the situation. Yeah, so a game changer, it's something that alters a situation, it alters the way in which something is done, it alters the way that people think about something, and this is a game changer. Yeah, you could a game changer could be a personary, a visionary, somebody who has the intelligence or ideas that can change the way people think about a situation. And then a game changer, an idea, a product, a procedure, which changes the rules. It changes the way something is done. And here the process of doing something is the idea of the game. Yeah. So drug testing has been a game changer in many sports. Well, maybe it has and it hasn't. Okay, so it's something that will change things. I don't know. The company had not been doing well, and then it finally produced a new product, and this new product has been a game changer for the company. Yeah, they're suddenly making lots and lots and lots of money. Yeah, so it's a significant paradigm shift. Yeah, it's a change in the way things are done. It's something that can revitalize a situation. It's a new element, a new factor, a game-changing discovery. I guess in computers, quantum computing will be a game changer. Yeah, a game changer, very often it makes the difference between something happening and something not happening. They felt that having children would be a game changer in their relationship. It would significantly affect their relationship. It would change the way it was. So a game changer, something that affects the outcome. Yeah, how things work out. Yeah, so he's a potential game changer. So yeah, maybe if you have Lionel Messi playing for your team, that is a potential game changer. can change the whole thing. Okay, so a game changer. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, but no more. Don't use it very formally. And the origin, well, I think the origin is quite clear. It changes the game. It changes the way you look at things. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A game changer.